Hello, my name is Jason Perkins. I'm a Georgia attorney, and I specialize in helping people who've been injured at work with their Georgia workers' compensation claims. Today I'd like to talk to you about an important deadline under the Georgia workers' compensation law that you need to know about. That deadline is what's referred to as the Changing Conditions Statute of Limitations. Now, you may have heard about statutes of limitations before. They're deadlines for filing your claims generally. In fact, Georgia law has what's referred to as the all-issue statute of limitations. It's a typical statute of limitations. Now, the Changing Conditions statute of limitations is different. It's not a deadline for filing your initial claim. It's a deadline for receiving additional benefits under your claim. What it says is that if you've ever gotten temporary total or temporary partial disability benefits in the past, those are wage loss benefits that are paid to you under the workers' compensation law, then you can't ever get those benefits in the future if you go more than 2 years without receiving those benefits. You may wonder how this can affect you. How it usually affects people is if they have an injury at work and they miss some period of time from work. Maybe it's a few days, maybe it's a few weeks or a month or two. Then they go back to work and they maybe perform a light duty job or something like that. And they keep working for some time, over 2 years. And then something happens. Say their injury gets worse, or they need a surgery that's recommended by their doctor. And then when they come out of work, the insurance company doesn't pay them for the time that they miss from work because they say that the Changing Conditions statute of limitations is run. It's been more than 2 years since they last got benefits. Now, this can result in some pretty awful situations. I've seen situations where people have never been able to return to work again, but they can't get any benefits because they have more than a 2-year gap between when they first got temporary total disability or temporary partial disability benefits and when they came out of work again. You don't want this to happen to you. The best thing to do is to make sure that you never have a 2-year gap in those wage loss benefits. And that should prevent the Changing Conditions statute of limitation from barring you from getting future benefits. Now, if you have any questions about this, I'd be glad to talk to you about this issue or any other Georgia workers' compensation issue. You can set up a free consultation by visiting our website or by calling me at the phone number that's on the screen. If you found this video helpful, please let me know. Give it a thumbs up on YouTube. You can also go to our Perkins Law Firm YouTube channel and subscribe there to be notified of future videos I'm putting out. Thanks for watching today, and best of luck to you in the future.